Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start maths for class 10. So our today's topic is solving quadratic equations by formula. Okay. Now in our previous class already discussed first part of quadratic equation. Okay. Right? That one, nature of roots. Okay. And today we are going to start solving equation by formula. Okay. So when we are going to start quadratic equation, first we are going to write one algebraic expression like this: ax square plus bx plus c. So one kind of algebraic expression, right? So here coefficient of x square a, coefficient of x b and c as a constant term, right? So in quadratic equation, when we are going to find value of x from this expression, there is a formula. We are going to find value of x. The formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, this is our formula. By using this formula, we are going to find value of x. Okay, from this expression. Okay, the main formula. So note down this formula. It's a very important formula. Okay. So we are going to start our sum number 1. So first sum, solve x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0 by using formula. Okay, by using formula. This is our question. Solve this equation by using formula. Okay. So first we are going to compare this equation with comparing with ax square bx plus c equals to 0. So first we are going to compare this equation with this expression or equation ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So when we are going to compare these two equation, look at here, x square, this one also x square, coefficient of x a, here coefficient of x nothing means 1. So a equals to 1, that means value of a 1. bx, here is minus 4x, coefficient of xb, here coefficient of x minus 4. So b equals to minus 4 and c equals to 1. C equals to 1. Okay. So when we are going to compare this two equation, we are getting value of a, b and c, right? Now by using this three value, we are going to find value of x. So if you want to find value of x, so formula minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? So value of b minus 4, as it is minus sign is given here, and this for minus 4 plus minus root over b square, it means minus 4 whole square minus 4a into c, 4 into 1 into 1 by 2a means 2 into 1. Okay. Minus minus plus 4 plus minus root over minus square of minus 4 only 16, here 4 into 1 into 1, that means minus 4. Okay. And numerator 2 into 1, that means only 2. Okay. So come to this side. 4 plus minus 16 minus 4 root 12 by 2, right? 12 means, if you want to break, it's 12, that means 2 into 2, 4 into 3 by 2, that means 4 plus minus 2 root 3 by 2, right? So look at here, this one 4, this one plus minus 2 root 3, right? So from these two part, we are getting common as a 2. So after taking 2 as a common part, the remaining part 2 plus minus only root 3 by 2, right? This 2 and this 2, they are cancelled out. So remaining part 2 plus minus root 3, right? Value of x 2 plus minus root 3, right? So look at here, it's a 2 sign, one is plus, another one minus, and already know that in quadratic equation there is a 2 roots, right? This equation contains 2 roots, that's why we are going to convert this part, this one, into in this form. One is x1, that means first root, x1 first root, that means one is 2 plus root 3 only, another one x2. It contains, equation contains 2 roots, that's why first one x1, another one x2, okay? And here is 2 plus minus root 3, that means first part only 2 plus root 3 and second part 2 minus root 3. So x1 2 plus root 3 and x2 2 minus root 3. Understood? So in this way we are going to solve this kind of equation. Clear? Next, come to another example. Solve x square minus 3 into x plus 3 equals to 0. So this is a question. First, we are going to compare this equation with standard form. That means standard equation ax square plus bx plus c, right? So our equation is given x square minus 3x plus 3 equals to 0, right? This is the question. So this 3 multiplied with first x, that means minus 3x, and plus minus 9 equals to 0. So already we are getting one equation, x square minus 3x minus 9. Now we are going to compare this equation with standard equation, means comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, the standard form. So x square, that means when we are going to compare this two equation, they are getting value of a equals to the coefficient of x square 1, that means a equals to 1, b equals to -3 and c equals to -9, right? a1, b -3 and c -9. Okay, now we are going to find value of x. Okay, so x equals to -b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a is our formula. Value of b -3, that means minus of -3 plus minus b square -3 whole square minus 4 into a into c, that means -9 by 2 into 1. Okay, so minus minus plus minus root over square of -3 plus 9 minus minus plus 36 by 2. So 3 plus minus root over 45 by 2, right? So root 45 means, if you want to break root 45, that means 3 into 3, 9 into 5, right? By 2. So 3 plus minus, look at here, 3 is a pair of 3, that means when you eliminate square root, that means it represent as 3 root 5 by 2. Okay, so now we are going to put value of this root 5. So from table we are getting the value of root 5, 2.236. okay, so value of root 5, 2.236. 3 plus minus 3 into 2.236 by 2, right? 3 plus minus 3 into 2.236 by 2. Okay, so first I am going to multiply it, this 3 into 2.236, that means if I am going to multiply 3 or 2.236, so it will be 6.708. So 3 plus minus 6.708 by 2. Okay, that means this one 9.708, sorry, 3 plus minus 6.708. Okay, and already know that quadratic equation, it contains two roots, that means first one 3 plus 6.708 by 2 and another one 3 minus 6.708. Okay, so first root 3 plus 6.708 by 2 and second one 3 minus 6.708 by 2, right? So, this one 9.708 by 2 right? x1. So 9.708 by 2, 4.854, 4.854. Okay. Next, x2, this one, minus 3.708 by 2. So minus 3.708 by 2 equals to minus 1.854, minus 1.854. Okay, so the first root, this is second root. Okay, so in this way we are getting a value of x or root. Clear? And one more thing, in your question it's already mentioned, give your answer correct to two significant figure. So what is the meaning of two significant figure? That means, look at here, this number contain total number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The 4 numbers are there. Two significant number means any of the number, it contains only two terms or two numbers. That means 4.854, in place of 4.854 we can write here 4.9, because it is given up to two significant figure. That means total number, it's contained only two number, first one 4, second one 9, including decimal. Okay, it's a meaning of significant figure. So for this one number, same reason, minus 1.9, because look at here, number is more, if the number is 5 or more than 5, then we can move to another number. So after 8 means 9, that's why we are going to write 4.9. Same reason, this number contains 8, that means 5 or more than 5 means after that number change into their next term. That means here is 8, that's why we are going to put here 9. Clear? Suppose if it contains 4, on that condition we are going to write 4.3. Okay, so less than 5 means we are going to previous number, and more than 5 or 5, on that time we move to next term or next number. Okay, this is the meaning of significant figure. So we are getting two value, x1 equals to 4.9, another one x2 equals to minus 1.9. Clear? Now come to another example. So example number 3. Solve. Three x square minus x minus 7. These are the equation. Give your answer. Correct to two decimal places. Okay. Here it is given up to two decimal places. Previous one significant figure, this one decimal places. So decimal places and significant figure to a different meaning. Okay. So first part, this equation, first we are going to compare this equation with standard form, that means standard equation. 6x square minus x minus 7 is a given equation. Now we are going to compare this equation with standard equation. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus equals to 0. So After comparing this two equation, we are getting value of a equals to 3, b equals to -1 because coefficient of x -1 and c equals to -7. Okay, a3, b -1, c -7. Okay, so x equals to our formula, x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? Is the formula. Now put the value. Minus b means minus of -1 plus minus root over -1 square minus 4, a means 3 or c -7, right, by 2a. 2a means 2 into 3. Okay, so this one minus plus minus 1 square minus 1 square means only 1, minus plus this one 84 by 6 minus plus 1 plus 84 by 6. Okay, so one plus minus root 85 by 6. Okay, so 1 plus minus root over 85 by 6. So value of root 85 9.129. Okay, the value of root 85, sorry, 9.219 is the value of root 85. Okay, so 1 plus 9.21, 1 plus minus 9.219 by 6. So already know that in quadratic equation it has two roots. First one 1 plus 9.219 by 6 and another one 1 minus 9.219 by 6. So first root x1 1 plus 9.219 by 6 and second one 1 minus 9.219 by 6. Okay, first one plus, second one minus, so 10.219 by 6, that means 1.70. Okay, and this one minus 8.219 by 6, that means minus 8.219 by 6 equals to minus 1.37. Okay, minus 1.37. So first root 1.70 positive root and second one minus 1.37, that means negative root. Okay, but already given correct up to 2 decimal places, that means the number contain 2 terms after decimal, that means after point there is only 2 numbers. That's why 1.70, and here is also same reason 37, that means after point or decimal is a 2 number 3 and 7. Okay, so the first root 1.70 and second one minus 1.37. Understood? So right here correct up to 2 2 decimal places or 2 dp, 2 decimal places. Okay, clear? Okay students, I hope you have understood what I have taught you. Try to solve your exercise question. If you have any doubt, contact us. Okay, thank you.